Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 9T, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is located right over here. So once you find it, you can simply tap on it, the battery saver, and this will enable the power saving mode, which can also be determined by the color of the battery, which gets changed from like the whitish outlines to having the battery actually being a little bit more orangish color inside. So now during the power saving mode, things like Wi-Fi and mobile data will be turned off after a period of inactivity. So when you lock the device like this and leave it for a couple of minutes, it will completely disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile, meaning that you won't get any updates that would require internet connection from any kind of app till you interact with the device again, at which point the device will reconnect to everything. Now, you can also further extend your battery life by doing a simple thing like dropping your max brightness. Dropping it by halfway will increase your battery life by like 2-3 hours, depending on the device. I'm not exactly sure if we have any kind of counter here, so let's hold it and go to the battery. But yeah, it looks like there is no battery information. So that is another way you could increase your battery. And also there is one more thing that I will point out that will give you a little bit more battery life, which is disabling unnecessary things like location. If you're not using it as a GPS tracking right now, there is no point for it to be enabled. Bluetooth, if you're not using it, again, disable it. If we go to the next page, we have NFC. Again, you're not using it, turn it off. And I think that's about it, what you can disable to gain a little bit more battery life. Now, going back to the actual battery saver, once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once more to turn it off, and this will bring the device back to the normal mode, and it's going to function as you are used to. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.